You squeeze, you roll, you press. Now your bathroom looks a mess. And why is it impossible to get out the last drop of toothpaste? There's got to be a better way. Introducing Touch 'n Brush, the hands-free toothpaste dispenser that works with just a touch. Touch 'n Brush works with virtually any size tube and secures easily onto any surface in seconds without any tools. Watch, press on the airtight suction cups, insert your favorite toothpaste, then pop on the cover. There's no electric or batteries to replace. It's that easy. Touch 'n Brush neatly dispenses the perfect amount of toothpaste in just 1 second every time. So now sticky bathroom sinks are a thing of the past. The secret is our patented technology. As the toothbrush gently pushes the pump arm, vacuum force pulls fresh toothpaste from the tube and dispenses it right on the brush. The best part is Touch 'n Brush uses every last bit of toothpaste, so there's no struggling for that last drop. Then when you're done, simply place in a new one, and you're ready to touch and brush again. Tired of the kids leaving behind a morning mess? No problem, because now it's easy and cool to brush before school. You can even apply toothpaste with just one hand. Amazing! Touch 'n Brush looks great with any bathroom decor and is also available in this elegant chrome finish. Similar products sell for over $70, but you can get Touch 'n Brush today for the amazing low price of just $19.99. But hold everything. Call right now and we'll include this Sonic 4X toothbrush free. Just pay additional shipping and handling. With thousands of vibrations per minute, it disintegrates plaque on contact, leaving your teeth cleaner and fresher than ever before. A $20 value free. Together, that's a $90 value. Yours today for the amazing low price of just $19.99. But you've got to call now.